Hey, and we are live. Hello. What's up, Facebook? Friday afternoon. Jason Brown here, hopping on live. And honestly, didn't really intend to go live, but I've been asked before, why do you go live so often from your car? Now, as you notice, I'm not driving, the car's not moving, I'm parked, and we'll stay parked the entire time that I'm live here. But as I mentioned, I didn't necessarily intend to come live. However, it seems to be that when I'm driving or when I'm doing things that, my mind is always on the go, if you will. So things come to mind, and I just decided I got a few minutes. Why not hop on live and share some of what I'm thinking? So anyone that hops on, hey, Patrick, appreciate you stopping by. If you could let me know you're here, Patrick, really appreciate you tuning in Friday with me. But anyone else that comes on, or anyone that catches this on the replay, that sort of thing, if you could just let me know you're here. I'd like to know who's seeing this, how far I'm reaching, and where, and those sorts of fun things. That's a great part of social media, if you will. So benefit that we often forget. So I do appreciate those who hop on here with me live, and then certainly those that catch the replay as well. So all right, so as my description said, I wanted to talk about residual income and the importance of it, the benefits of it, how outstanding it can be for you, and all those good things. So there's lots of different ways, lots of different methods and platforms, and ways to learn to earn an income online, or to earn money online. And one of the best ways to do so is to find one that provides you with a residual income. Now, hey, Kimberly, thanks for hopping on. Sometimes, residual income can get skewed as to what it actually is or what it isn't. And, so people kind of try to have that be something that it necessarily isn't always the case. But when you find the right fit, and when it's actually something that, regardless of your situation, you keep earning an income without having to, constantly work and constantly build and constantly, that's when it becomes residual. So month to month, you get that same income. Now, there's lots of opportunities where you'll have, 10 people in your organization, and you're earning X amount of dollars, or whatever the case is, and inevitably 6, 7, 8, however many of those people drop off and quit, and there goes your residual income. Is that always the case in every comp plan? Absolutely not. But there is, you do have to keep the pipeline filled. But what I'm saying is, though, you can have that money coming in based on their efforts, based on other people's efforts. So it's not constantly just you working by yourself. And that's why the importance of finding your tribe, finding a team that work and build together, and have aspirations of building a true online income, building a true something, your own economy, something that you can pass on to others, something that month to month you can count on as an actual income. A lot of the one-off programs where if you sign someone up one month, or you sell something one month, and then that's a one-time payment. No, it may be $500,000, $5,000, whatever it is. That one time is huge, but then if you don't sell anything else, that's it. So, and I'm not knocking any payment plan, compensation plan. I'm not knocking anything. I'm here, as I mentioned, to kind of share about residual income, and how strong it can be if you find yourself in the right position. And obviously there's lots of models out there. There's lots of things out there. There's lots of opportunities out there to earn an income. And if you can find the right one with the right comp plan, with the right residual income opportunity, and then with the right people and the right team, it can be amazing. And it can truly be something that can literally change your life, not just for a month or two, but literally change it long term, to where we're talking 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, to, multiple years, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever that is, if you keep building that. Because notice, I never said there was a time in residual income where you can just set it up and, after 6 months you're done and you earn X amount of dollars for the rest of your life. That's not what I'm saying at all. However, there is a bigger opportunity to have people that build together and that can provide that monthly income that so many are looking for. And it's far more than just a buzzword. It's far more than just something that people talk about residual income. Those opportunities are truly out there. I can tell you, I feel very fortunate to have found one where I'm putting myself in position to obtain a substantial residual income. Is it going to take a lot of work? Absolutely. Is it going to take a good amount of time? Absolutely. But I can already see that the seeds that I'm planting, the steps that I'm taking. I've mentioned in several other videos the coach that I've hired, coaches I should say. Now I've hired my second coach, and it's been outstanding. The transformations that I'm making are truly life-changing for me. And so, as I continue to build, I'm fortunate enough to where the products are for better in my health, better in my my outlook, my mental clarity, just how I'm feeling in general. And then you start adding the great community, all of the support, again the coaching. I mean, it's I feel very fortunate, and I couldn't be happier with the place that I'm in. The things that me that I've been doing, certainly still very much involved in, and I feel, to me, I'm just adding to that, and I feel that's how we grow, as we continue to add and continue to push ourselves to better ourselves. That's where the true growth happens. And I feel very fortunate that here we are in the middle of a pandemic, and so many people have been in such struggles and have lost their income and lost their jobs and all those things. And I don't mean to talk down or to belittle those in any stretch, but myself, I've been fortunate enough to find these things here in the last 6-8 months that have really put me in position to win. Yeah, exactly, Kimberly. Yay. I agree. I love winning as well. And the best part is it's not just me by any stretch. I mean, there's so many of us winning, and the team that I've become a part of with my latest venture, there's a lot of folks winning, and I'm doing my best to keep up and to follow right behind their path and trail. So if you have any questions about what I'm doing, I'd be more than happy to share with you. If you are just were curious about residual income and what that looks like, what that is, I'm glad you hopped on. But on this Friday afternoon, it's crazy. It looks like it's about 7 o'clock at night out here in Portland, Oregon, and it's barely 3 o'clock. But that time of year, early November, I guess this is what we get, right? So that's really what I wanted to talk about today, the residual income. And I've kind of searched for it, and a few times I thought maybe I had some opportunities that might pan out, and that's part of that growth process also. And now I can assure that for myself, for my family, for my friends, for everyone that's involved, I've got a great vehicle. So like anything else, when I find something that's good, I like to share it. And if it's a fit for you, awesome. If it's not, awesome too. I certainly wish you and everyone else well in their ventures. I think there's plenty. In fact, I know there's plenty out there for all of us to win. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. So that's my live for today, Friday, November the 6th. Appreciate all who stopped by, and appreciate all who catch us on the replay. Just let me know you were here. That's always awesome. And for those that tuned in live, thanks for the support. Thanks for hopping on with me. That's what I got for today. Jason Brown, Portland, Oregon. I'm out. Peace.